So today we're going to talk about the reasons why people would have a Zoom room and what a Zoom room is. So essentially a Zoom room is the ability to fit a conference room or a meeting room with professional video conferencing equipment that is then connected to your Zoom platform. Now this had a number of benefits. Firstly, it gives you a professional image for you and your company when you're on a video call. Secondly, it provides you with the convenience of simply walking into the room that you've invited to the meeting through Outlook or some other calendar system and pressing the join button. So it's a one button press to just start your meeting and you're off and running. This is particularly poignant for busy executives and people that don't want to get involved with the technicalities of the system, and they just want to walk into the room and use the equipment. Some of the other benefits of this type of technology and using a Zoom room is the fact that you can actually attend the meeting and walk into the meeting room without any other equipment. So there's no need to carry a laptop with you, there's no need to plug any cables in. You simply walk in, press the join button and you're in the meeting. Furthermore, you can actually add your colleagues and people that are within your directory from the panel within the Zoom room by calling up their name from directory and pressing join. They then send a message either directly to the Zoom application or via email for them to join the meeting. And it brings very much a level of continuity to you and your team, as well as having the added ability of inviting people external to your company. So with all the Zoom rooms, they all come with a touch panel. And the touch panel is typically something similar to this, which allows you to have all your directory and all of your functions for controlling camera settings, microphone settings, etc. just on the panel. When you come to attend the meeting, you will simply have the join button as you see here, and you just press join. And you're in the meeting. Everything's up and running. Taking things a little bit deeper in terms of the way Zoom rooms benefit your organisation and your technical team, Zoom is constantly monitoring the health and situation within that room to make sure that everything's plugged in, everything's functioning, and that there's no faults on the system or software issues. So having that added monitoring and permanent checking on your space ensures that your IT can deal with an issue as and when it arises before it becomes an operational problem for your users. This is all, of course, cloud-based, so they can do that from anywhere as long as they have access to the internet, allowing a centralised IT team to manage all of your rooms throughout your organisation globally, all with the click of a button. So as you can see, there's lots of added advantages of having a Zoom room within your organisation. We'd be more than pleased to work with you and introduce you to the demonstration of a Zoom room and to talk to you about the acoustics and the capabilities that we can bring to you and your team within your meeting spaces. All of our team are fully trained on the Zoom platform, and we are Zoom integrators and able to even create the licenses for you, set up the platform for you, and even manage it in parallel with your IT team. Contact the DNA team. We look forward to working with you.